Good evening, everybody. This is for the mini to fill the main on the Home Depot, Hobby Lobby, IKEA Lowe's gift card or buyback. Time is 8:13. Get our dice out. Rolling 2, better than 5, and we got 8. So round 7 and round 8 are going to be our 2 winners for this mini. Scroll back up to the list right there. Numbers in 1 to 10. Round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the winner for 1 spot. Round 7, number 4 is Brandy, and then our 3 spot winner is number 2, Mr. Bart. And we are done. Bart, you pick yours first. Brandy, you pick yours second. Thank you, everybody.